Sawubona mfundi. Let me teach you today how to confidently introduce yourself in Ndebele. Right. So you probably want to start with your name. So you're going to say, Ibizo lami ngu, place your name. Ibizo lami ngu Thabo, ibizo lami ngu Mufaro. Ibizo lami ngu Sipho, ibizo lami ngu Chibo. Angithi, ibizo lami ngu Thabani, ibizo lami ngu Farai. If you're noticing what I'm doing right there, giving you a Ndebele name and the Shona equivalent. Right, so place your name and then you move on to say, Isibongo sami ngesako. My surname is how we say it ngesindebele. Angithi, isibongo sami ngesako Ndlovu. Isibongo sami ngesako ngesako bani? Ngesako Dlamini. Angithi, just put your surname right there. Moving on, you probably want to tell us where you live. All right, so ngesindebele you say ngihlala e. In all these sentences you can always put mina or not. You can say mina ngihlala eKadoma, mina ngihlala eGwanda, mina ngihlala eBotswana, or ngihlala eZambia, ngihlala eUK. Angisho, right? You may want to tell us also whom you live with, right? So ngihlala lo mama means what? I live with mom. Ngihlala lo baba, I live with my father. Ngihlala labazali bami, I live with my parents. All right. Ngihlala lo mkami, I live with my spouse. All right. Ngihlala lo mntanami, I live with my child. Ngihlala labantwana bami means what? I live with my children. All right. What else could you possibly say? Ngihlala lo dadewethu, I live with my sister. Ngihlala lo mnewethu, I live with my brother. We move on. You may want to tell us your age, right? So at this point, if you are the beginner that I think you are, you may not really, I don't want to bother you with the Ndebele numbers for now. So you can just say this. Mina ngile minyaka engu 21. Mina ngile minyaka engu 35. Ngile minyaka engu 68. Angithi, you can just throw in the English number for now, right? If you know the Ndebele numbers, go ahead and use them. Angithi. Good. You are introducing yourself. You want to tell us what you do or what your profession is. Angithi. You can say it like this. Mina ngingumbalisi. I am a teacher. Mina ngilipholisa. I am a police officer. Ngilibutho. I'm a soldier. Angithi, ngiligqwetha. I am a lawyer. Ngingu dokotela. Doctor. Ngingumongikazi. I'm a nurse. And if you're a male nurse, ngingumongi. Angithi. So these are some of the professions we know. Mina ngingumanjinela. I'm an engineer. Ngingumathanyela. I am a cleaner. I'm a sweeper. All right. Ngingusoma bhizimusi. I'm a businessman. Ngingunoma bhizimusi. I'm a business woman. Mina ngilisela. I am a thief. Right. So don't be ashamed of your profession. If you're a thief, just go ahead and say mina ngilisela. Angithi. Great. Then sometimes your profession is not straightforward. It's hard to say what you are. Instead, you can say where you work. For example, mina ngisebenza ebhayiskopo. I work at the movie house. Ngisebenza enkantolo. I work in court. Right? Mina ngisebenza estimeleni. For example, I work in a train. Angithi, ngisebenza what else could we have? Ngisebenza ebhanga. I work at the bank. Ngisebenza endlini. I am a domestic worker. I work in a house. All right. Or you can name, just mention your company. Mina ngisebenza go National Foods. Mina ngisebenza go OK. Ngisebenza eZesa, for example. Ngisebenza komseyamo, depending on where you work. Angithi. Right? You may want to tell us how many children you have, right? Starting with I don't have children. Angilabantwana. Kumbe, mina angilabantwana. That's how you say I don't have children. One children, ngilomntwana oyedwa. Alright, now just teach you the simple numbers 1 to 5. Now, if you have 6 children going forward, at this point, you can use the English numbers. Alright, so we've said 0 children, angilabantwana. 1, ngilomntwana oyedwa. Ngilabantwana ababili. Ngilabantwana abathathu. Ngilabantwana abane. Ngilabantwana abahlanu. Angitsho. Then you can say ngilabantwana abangu-6, ngilabantwana abangu-7, ngilabantwana abangu-13. You can use the English numbers, but if you already know the Ndebele ones, please use them so you don't forget them. Angithi. Right, you normally when you're introducing yourself, you want to tell people what you like to do. Angithi. So you can say something like this. Mina ngithanda ukubala. I love to read. Mina ngithanda ukubhukutsha. I love to swim. Mina ngithanda ukwenzani? Ukupheka. I love to cook. Ngithanda ukudlala ibhola. I love to play soccer. Ngithanda ukubukela ibhola. I love to watch ball or soccer. Normally, people are talking about soccer. Mina ngithanda ukunyeya. I love to gossip. Like I was saying, own yourself, right? If what you really love to do is to gossip, mina ngithanda ukunyeya. Angithi? If you are quarrelsome, mina ngithanda ukuthethisa abantu. I love to insult people, right? If you are violent, mina ngithanda ukuchaya abantu. I love to beat people up. Mina ngithanda ukudla. I love to eat. Mina ngithanda ukuthunga. I love to sew. Angithi, mina ngithanda ukuxoxa. I love to make conversation. Angithi, mina ngithanda ukuya esontweni. I love to go to church. Ngithanda ukuya ebhayisikopho. I love to go to the movies. All right, so that's how you introduce yourself. Can you put it together and introduce yourself in the comments? Pick what you'd like to tell us and go ahead and practice your Ndebele writing, right? So sometimes learners would be like, I just want to learn how to talk. But here's the thing. If you can practice the writing and the reading, you'll notice that even your talking will come easier, right? So go ahead, use the opportunity, introduce yourself, Guma comments, and let me see you in the next lesson.